Today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Netflix subscription on a mobile phone or on your iPad. If you're looking for a tutorial which shows you how you can do this on the computer, I'll go and leave one in the description below. So what you need to do is you need to go to Netflix, you need to make sure you're logged into your account, then go to More in the bottom right hand corner, then scroll down and go to Account. This is then going to take you to a web browser. In my case it's taking me to Google Chrome. Now once you're inside Google Chrome or once you're inside the web browser, you may or may not be logged into your Netflix account. If you're not logged in, then log in already. Once you've done that, you can scroll all the way down, you can go to Cancel Membership. And here you're going to be given options on if you really want to cancel the membership or not. You can click Finish Cancellation and your membership will still be active until the end of your billing date, and then you just won't be billed after that. So that's all you've got to do, guys. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.